Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and this is RAVPower's 26,800 milliamp hour battery pack. This is a little bit more unique than others we've seen, and they sent it along for me to take a look at. Now this comes in at about $54.99 on Amazon. I'll link it in the description. But this one's unique in that you can fast charge the power bank itself, not just your devices off of it. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is the battery itself. Let's see what accessories we have under here. Now you can charge anything from a phone to a MacBook with this particular one. It has USB-C. Let's see what they give you here in this little box. So here we have a USB type A to mini USB or micro USB. Let's see what else we have in here. So we have a little case for it and a case for your cables. So that part's pretty nice. And then we've got two micro USB to USB type A. And the reason we have two of them is we can dual charge this to fast charge the power bank itself. So instead of taking 15 hours on a normal charger that you might have, you can dual charge it up to over 4 amps and charge this whole thing in about 7 hours. Now for a power bank, that's pretty good. So the power bank itself just has a button here. It tells you it's charged. So right now it's fully charged. You'll see it has micro USB. We've got USB-C and then two USB type A's. On this side, it gives the size of it and nothing else here. Now, the way you would charge this fast is by plugging in the USB-A and USB-C. And you just charge one and then charge the other. Now, the capacity of this is such that it will charge your iPhone 8 Plus almost 6 times if it was fully depleted. So it also allows the ability to charge 3 devices at once. So you can plug in one here, and then maybe you've got one here, USB-C, and let's turn it on. And you'll see here my Pixel 2 XL is charging. If we plug this in here, we'll plug in the iPhone 10. You can see we have both devices charging at the same time, and it charges pretty fast. It will actually push out power at the full speed, so you can charge your Pixel 2 XL and your iPhone at the full charging capability. It's a pretty impressive little battery pack, and for the $55 price, it's not too bad. You can also charge an additional device as well. So you want to charge this when you're done, plug this in, plug this one in, dual charge it back if you need to get going. Maybe taking a trip in a few hours, you can charge this battery pack up and you're good to go. So that's a pretty nice, simple accessory from RAVPower. Thanks for sending it along. I'll leave a link in the description below, and let me know what you think of these accessory videos. If you want to see more accessories for an iPhone, maybe some different things, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.